So children, this is exactly the same program that we have discussed. So what you need to do is you need to write the same program in your this Turbo C window, and then see all lines are same over here. Okay, so children, now I'm going to compile this program first. Compile. Now it says success, no error is there. Fine. Now I'm going to run it. So let's just run it before using it this without using this endl. Okay, I'm just putting a semicolon over here. Fine. And now again I'm going to compile. Okay, fine. I'm going to run it. See, it says sum of two numbers is 11. As you can see, this 11 is coming into the same line. Okay, and without space. There is no space as such, and it is coming in the same line. So till I enter a character from the keyboard, this screen is going to hold. Why? Because I have used a get ch statement over there. So that is why it is going to hold. Now I am pressing any key from the keyboard, and I'm back to my coding window. Now I'm going to use endl over here, and let's see the difference. Endl. Okay children, now I'm going to compile it again. It's fine. Then run it. See, now you can make out a difference that now this value 11 is coming into a different line. Okay, it's coming into the second line, so you can make out that what endl is used and for which purpose it is used. Okay, so now coming back again to the program. And again, very important part children, when it comes to the saving this part, when you go to the save as option, suppose you go to the save as option, you need to write the file name over here. Suppose I'm giving it as pro, and then you have to put .cpp with it. .cpp is very important. .cpp means C++. Okay, this is very important. If you put .c, you will get an error because C is a different language. So you have to save this file with the extension .cpp. Okay, so press on OK. Since the file is already saved, so I'm pressing on yes. Okay, so this was a very simple program that we have discussed, and you can see that this program is working correctly. You can see the output also. So this is a very simple program. If you want to change any variable over here, suppose I'm using s over here, capital S over here, so you need to change this over everywhere, whichever place you have used this a instead of this, because then you will get an error. Let's just see what kind of error we will get if I just use a instead. Let's just compile it. There is an error. Now I'll just put the enter. It says this undefined symbol a. Undefined means I have not defined it a. I have not defined a anywhere. I have just straight away I have used it. Okay children, so that is why I'm getting an error over here. So now just put enter over here, and now I'm going to change it. Now I've used s over here. Fine. Now again I'm going to compile it, and as you can see, no error is here. So this is a very basic thing. So whenever you're using any variable over here, whatever variables you have declared, you are going to use the same variables in your program, and make sure their cases are also same. If there's s is capital, over here also s needs to be capital. If I use a small s, for example, I use a small s. Now let's see. Yes, there is an error. It says undefined symbol s. It cannot find it out s. You will say, how foolish is this? Both s are here, but you can see that this is an uppercase and this one is lowercase. So there is a difference. So now I think your concepts are clear. So keep practicing students, because this is a very basic programming that we are doing these days, and you need to get this in your practice. Thank you.